Hello friends. Okay, welcome back to my channel, Fit Life, Fit Me. I'm gonna walk you guys through a full day of eating. So we're back on the prep series. I've been getting so many questions about what I'm eating, and I want to walk you guys through a full day of eating. I'm going on week 7, which is crazy. So I'm loving the changes I'm seeing in my body and feeling good, feeling excited. Anyways, I'm gonna walk you guys through a full day of eating. And if you aren't interested in a workout, I'm also gonna show you a workout. Feel free to like speed past that if you're not interested. But anyways, that is the agenda for the day. Here we go.
Across the sea, somewhere far away, and just be free. A place times don't go, we can call it our paradise. Just you and I, now wouldn't that be nice? Oh, it's our paradise, staying up all night. Just
okay, so yes, I work out in the morning without eating anything beforehand. Usually I'm working out 4:15 to like 6:30 is when I start my workouts typically. I won't eat anything before that, and afterwards I still give myself some time to like process. It's not like I actively practice intermittent fasting, but I've come to realize that I think that I am doing intermittent fasting by accident. I finished my workout. It was an awesome workout. I am going to now have my post-workout BCAAs and my coffee. So I'll take you guys along on that to show you what I have. Okay, so post-workout, the first thing that I have is my post-workout BCAAs. So I use Arbonne's Prepare and Endure and Hydration Mix. I'm currently out of the like post-workout berry flavor. That's totally fine though. And then I'll also put an energy fizz in there. So I'm gonna use all 3 of these, backwards. So I'm gonna use all 3 of these. This is already full of water. And then I add in apple cider vinegar. It's a really good natural probiotic, prebiotic. So I'll just do like, not a lot. When I have these in there, it kind of masks the taste of the apple cider vinegar. So
fall asleep to the waves crashing, wake up and do it again. We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else. And I want to remember this moment for life, yeah. That look you gave me was staring in my eyes. And I'm never gonna let this go. Dancing real fast and slow, holding your waist real close. It's our power.
So sometimes I'll add vanilla extract if I want to give it like a vanilla flavor. So now I'm off to go get my hair done, and then when I get back, that's when I'll have my first breakfast. That'll probably be around like 11 a.m. So yeah. All right, so just got back from getting my hair done. It is actually closer to 12 right now, so I'm going to make a protein waffle for my breakfast. Like I said, I don't purposefully intermittent fast, but sometimes it happens, and yeah. So here is my protein waffle recipe and how I make it. Okay, so I use my scale for everything. Honestly, weighing your food, like weighing your protein powder or egg whites, is gonna be more accurate than using like a measuring spoon, and that's just because like you can overflow a measuring spoon or under or jam pack it or not, so like that's always gonna differ. So my bowl right now is on my food scale. I'm on grams. So one serving's 45 grams of the Arbonne chocolate protein. Then I'm gonna reset it, and then 100 grams of egg whites. I ran out, so that was 82 grams. Then I'm gonna add a little bit Truvia, a little bit of baking soda, dash of salt. If you want the consistency, this is kind of thick. Sometimes I'll add water just so it's like a little thinner. Under the moonlight, feet in the stand, your hand, my hand, fall asleep to the waist, wake up and do it again.
A paradise is there to be taken. We had it grinding, waiting for vacation. Hit that destination, party on the beaches, different nights, different constellations. And when I look into your eyes, ain't no hesitation. Working hard with you, baby, by my side. Got 24 hours in the dark, still what we like. Sipping by the sands, catching waves in the bands. It's an honor to be with you, cause baby, you made me understand what it means to be a real man. I got you covered in the brands, cause you a real fan. I want the house in the hills, that's the real plan. While I'm working every...
And then instead of using syrup, what I do is I top mine with PB2. So I'll do 2 servings of this, which is 24 grams. And some water. I'll also add some Truvia to it just to give it a little sweet taste. And blend.
Time for the deal, man, it's real fam. Every time I see it, stay wishing that be his vision we seen it. Riding Bentleys, rolling right through the Prius, believing it was meant to be. Together chasing paradise, making you for life, never ending journey, please. Yes, please, sign me up. Sonny's at the door, I tell him line it up.
So the secret ingredient that I'm saying if you guys saw my post on Instagram is the Truvia. So honestly, it changes everything. I personally have a sweet tooth, so that's why I add it. If it's too sweet with it, just try it next time without it. But
raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face. place, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days,
Okay, so this is my next meal. In this I have ground turkey, I have sweet potatoes, there is asparagus, zucchini, broccoli, and then down here is riced cauliflower. And then I am a huge fan of mustard, so I'm gonna go ahead and add. Perfect time for a snack. However, I'm saving up tonight to eat a full pint of Halo Top, so don't judge me, but I still wanted to show you guys like my go-to snacks. Every day for the last like 2 weeks, I've been having an English muffin. These are the multi-grain 100-calorie light English muffins. So I'll do that with 2 servings of PB2. PB2 is 5 carbs and 5 grams of protein per serving. So this is a really like light snack. I love this. Another like switch out if this is too many carbs. Sometimes I'll use a rice cake. So I love the caramel ones because they are a little bit sweeter. These are awesome. If you want a more protein-packed snack, I love Greek non-fat yogurt, and this is just the plain one. And I always put a scoop of chocolate protein in there. I made my waffles with the chocolate protein this morning. Guys, this protein is literally unreal. Like I used to hate chocolate protein, and I freaking love this stuff. So I'll put a scoop of this with this, some stevia to make it a little sweeter because you guys know I have a sweet tooth. And then this is my magic 40-calorie bread. I talk about this all the time on my Instagram, and people are asking me all the time, like, what is this 40-calorie bread? So this is Nature's Own. It's the honey wheat flavor. For 2 slices, it is only 19 grams of carbs, 5 protein, and 0.5 fat. So this is an awesome way. If you are a bread lover, go ahead and get this brand. It's amazing. Another thing I love, I'm a huge fan of cereal, so Annie's, it's like it was made for me. Weird, right? So I love this. I just ran out of the chocolate flavor, so this is the cinnamon flavor. I'm probably gonna put this on my ice cream tonight after dinner. So there's just like a few snacks I have. Another one I love is like buffalo tuna packets. Again, that is solely protein. If you guys are struggling to get your protein in, that is really awesome with some honey mustard, just something I love. Yeah, I hope that helps a little bit. I'm currently not gonna have a snack, but can't wait for dinner. Okay, time for dinner. So this is what I am having tonight. Here we go. So it is a grilled ham and cheese sandwich and an entire zucchini and some sauteed onions and tomatoes. So not very exciting, I know, but honestly, super yummy. I'm also gonna have some honey mustard on it because I love honey mustard. And then I'll be able to have my ice cream later tonight.
Someone's gonna love me right. Love me right.
Okay, so it is ice cream time officially. I have saved up my macros so I can have a whole pint of oatmeal cookie. So of course I'm gonna still weigh it because you never know with numbers. Okay, so the ice cream's good. I like to have toppings on my ice cream, personally. I have enough fat in a day to use real peanut butter, so I'm gonna move that off. I'm gonna use 2 servings of natural peanut butter and a serving of the cinnamon Annie's cereal. Okay, pro tip. I like to mix my peanut butter with some water and some Truvia, because then it creates more of like a caramely sauce. So it might sound weird, but it's amazing on ice cream.
I die before I try to reason with the devil. Won't play a losing game, I ain't about to settle. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Grab me a tissue, the world's gone shallow. But I've been wasting so much time trying to figure out what's mine, instead of just living my own life. One of these days.
So that's pretty much it for my full day of eating. I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or have any video recommendations, I obviously want to hear from you guys, and I hope that you learned something from this, or that you got something from it, or even just got a few ideas for snacks you can do. Anyways, hope you guys have an amazing night, and see you guys next time. Bye.